Well, hello everyone, and welcome to thecreditjungle.com. This is George Anderson.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
You know, it's the end of October, and I actually could have done this video and made this announcement at least a month ago, because Fannie Mae typically, historically, would wait until the end of December, along with FHA, VA, and all the other agencies, to announce what their new loan limits were for the coming calendar year. But last month, Fannie came out with an announcement just saying that loans actually starting to close in the month of October, that the new loan limit is 802,650, and that is for all counties across the U.S. Except for what are called high cost areas. And I'm putting a link to the FHFA, Federal Housing Finance Agency, which is not FHA, which is the Federal Housing Administration. But there's a link there, and you can pull up a map and you can look at every county in the United States, and it will tell you what the limit is, and you'll just see that this is the floor. So this is, every county has this limit, and then it just goes up from there in some high-cost areas. Utah only has a couple of high-cost areas. We used to have more. I don't know that Utah, I don't know if that means it's getting more affordable, or that we're just becoming like every place else. Who knows? But VA, if you remember, I did a video a few years back. VA doesn't have a loan limit on it. If you're a veteran and you can qualify for a $5 million loan, you can buy a $5 million house with no down payment. FHA in the state of Utah, those announcements probably won't come out until about December, and right now the lowest level, okay, for the state of Utah is just a little bit below 500,000, and then you have county by county where it will go up different amounts, and you can be as high as almost $1 million up in Wasatch and Summit County, up in the high cost areas up there. So anyway, just some news on what's going on with loan limits. This means that you don't have to have the pricing adjustments and the harder qualifications to get a jumbo loan, as long as you're keeping at this loan amount or less. And there's very creative ways that you can make that work. So call me if you have any questions. Thanks for coming into thecreditjungle.com. This is George Anderson. Push button. Get mortgage professional, and I'd be happy to arrange the best financing terms possible for your next mortgage. Take care and have a great day.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.